Hi friends, this is the aquarium project. The project name is Aqua Car Show. My daughter have set the aquarium from initially just like tank keeping, then the stone layout, water filling, etc. All the things my daughter has set. Also, she has set the two pumps, and there is a separation layer. Two types of fish there is. One is parrot fish. This is called parrot fish. Okay, very cute. And another is Oscar. One is small, one is bigger. Okay, when I see that, there is an idea in my mind. So I have decorated the top. You can see that there is a grass layout, and this is the tree. I have installed just like a making a route by where here also. So and keeping light also, you can see that. So when I glow the light, you can see the beautiful scenery. Okay, so I have kept so much money car model. So so this is the name of the project, Aqua Car Show. Okay, there are so many variants. First of all, I am telling about the our traditional car. This is Ambassador. The gorgeous look and the model, I like that so much. It is a problem-free vehicle, also rocking vehicle, no travel, anything, and a heavy load capacity. It is, and the main things of the vehicle, this is also sedan class vehicle. You can see that the ground clearance is more about not so good, but there is, you can in sedan class vehicle only front wheel drive is accepted, but there is a design for rear wheel. The propeller shaft goes to the rear side and moves the wheel. This is a two wheel drive, rear wheel drive vehicle. And another very heavy duty off-roading vehicle is Thar. This is the Mahindra has shown a big thing about this Thar. I'm telling you, the Thar has a good engine capacity of 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, and there is a CRDI, common rail diesel injection, inside it. There is a high pressure pump also, creates 200 bar of pressure, and there is a turbocharger. What is the purpose of turbocharger? Is that when the exhaust gas moves outside from the vehicle by silencer, there is a pressure inside the exhaust gas. We utilize the pressure of that exhaust gas by using it to move a turbine. The turbine is directly connected to a compressor by a single shaft, and this why the compressor starts, and the compressor controlling also, because there is a boost pressure sensor on the engine. If there is a pressure is so much high, the turbo will not be activated. The purpose of the turbo is to maintain the air to fuel ratio inside the combustion chamber is 14 is to 1 ratio. Okay, so the for this turbocharger, the vehicle generate 117 bhp of power at 3500 rpm, and the acceleration is 0 to 100 at 8 seconds. This is the transmission is, there is two differential. Okay, and it is four wheel drive. It can change the option by two wheel or four wheel by according to customer planning. Okay, the three and produce 300 nm cube of torque. The ground clearance of that vehicle is very much good. This is 226 mm, very good ground clearance. And there is a extra features of exhaust gas recirculation system. So this reduce the pollution also. The exhaust gas recirculation system should be cleaned properly. If anybody, any person hearing that my video, I am very much serious about that, because Thor is a very good and heavy duty high pickup vehicle, but the maintenance is very much necessary. As a car mechanic, I am telling you, because the solenoid control exhaust gas recirculation, sometimes the solenoid valve choke, the engine performance also reduce. And sometimes you watch the lubrication system, the lube oil is reducing. Cannot find out anyways. I am telling the reason. When the turbocharger moves, the turbocharger also have a lubrication system, and this lubrication, after lubrication, return back to the crankshaft, crankcase. So if there is a leakage in the turbo core or shaft, the oil comes in the suction line and goes to the combustion chamber, and the black smoke generated. EGR valve is very much important for that, and turbo maintenance. Okay, so because the shaft, if there is any leakage, this goes to the compressor section where the air is sucks, and the is takes the lubrication in the combustion chamber, and it will burn, and the lubrication oil is reduced. And somebody says, why it is so much good off-roading vehicle? The reason is the traction control. So I am defining what is the traction control. Traction control means the gripping in the ground. If the vehicle goes to the muddy area, there is so much slippery, so there are four wheels. The muddy area which is contact with this will move fast. There is a rotation sensor, and it sense, and also it have a good braking system about ABS module. The main brain of the car is the ECM takes the response and is continue applying brake. Because of that, the car does not slips and go for any operating. So it can cover long journey, very safe journey, everything. But the car needs to be maintenance about turbo and EGR schedulely, and also check the radiator cleaning, and also check the thermostat valve, each and everything. Thor is a very good vehicle. The owner, I am requesting all the owner to keep this vehicle very good condition. It is a very heavy duty vehicle. Keep it very care.